Good day, everyone. I am Anberfel Simif Cascon here to demonstrate the laboratory 8 structures. So, as per instructed, first we will create an lab conditions.php file. Then, we start by making a starting point for PHP and then an endpoint first. Okay, done. So to make it simple, the requested system that we're gonna create is just to has two conditions, two main conditions. First condition is to make an to identify if the number is positive or negative or zero, and the second conditions is to identify if the number is odd and even. So to get started, we will create a hard-coded constant variable named number. So our particular number is equal to 8. It can be changed for further testing. And so nanatay kuan kanang first variable named number. So first si condition 1 na ma-identify niya if the number is positive or negative. So we just make a simple if else statement. Is equals to less than 0. If is more than 0, echo negative. Else echo if 0 is equals 0 is 0. So with that, na-fulfill na nato ang first condition na if number is less than 0, say more than 0, if the number is more than 0, then mag-echo siya positive. If the number is less than 0, so negative. If then it is 0 because wala naman equals. So next condition, ang condition 2, even or odd, if as number na po modulus 2 ra ni equals 2, dira may identify natin even number, echo odd number. So simple lang. Number, if number divided by 2 is equals to 0, then it is an even. Else it is an odd. So modules 2 yun na. So okay, so natang kuan na naton duha ka conditions present na sila. Ay i-display sa din nato siya. Echo number php.br. Okay, na siya. So this should be enough to fulfill the kuan. Simple system ron siya. So bali na ta sa ato ang na. So in case after na fulfill nato siya nag-testing ta, ang first testing nato kay negative 71. So nag siya negative odd number. So mag-switch ko, alisdan na ko sa siya o balik na ko siya sa 8. 8. Okay. Number 8, even number, and passive. Tama. So, sunod, 1 lang. Okay, number, odd, positive. So, final testing, 0, 0, even number, 0. So, that's all there is. Thank you. So, we will continue the laboratory exercise. Now we shall tackle loops. So based on the instructions, we will make multiple classes of loops, which is while loops, do while loops, and for loop. So the first instructions is maghimo ta og 1 to 20 using a for loop. Display number 1 to 20 on one line. Okay. So that, we just make an increment echo number 1 to 24 loop. Okay, for I 20 increment echo I. Okay, so how does this work? It's just a simple loop actually. First, the value is I, and I is less than 20, so I will never increase. 20 is the limiter, so as long as it hits 20, it will display I. So it will go on a loop. So first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 until 20. So that is the theory behind it. If it works, I think. Okay. After that, the next is using while loop, calculate the sum of numbers 1 to 10. Okay. Using while loop, calculate the numbers 1 to 10. So, okay. Sum 0 while. So that should do it. So to make it simple, the constant value of sum is 0, j is 1. So j is less than or equals to 0. So we add sum and j so that we can calculate the numbers 1 to 10. So j increment. And for the next sum of numbers 1 to 10, we'll look sum. Oh wait, pinag-group na nga. Okay. Check it. Sum of numbers. Okay, where was I? So after using a dual loop, the multiplication of 5, 10. Oh, so using a dual loop, print the multiplication table of 5. So we can just make echo okay. Okay. So to put it simply, okay, the constant variable which is k equals to 1 and do echo 5 times is just so 5 times k and increment si k para sunod ni k 5 times 2, 5 times 3. So while and limit ni k kay 10. So he will just ang output talaga ni 5 times 1, 5 times 2, 5 times 3, 5 times 4 and yeah, more ba to? Yeah. Okay. May mali. So, itry na to siya. Okay, dara na siya. Number 1 to 20 for loop. Numbers and then sum of numbers 1 to 10, while loop equals to 55, multiplication of numbers 5, 5 plus 2, 5 plus 3. Okay, so as you can see, nagana to ang loops. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I'm here to continue the discussion about laboratory 8 DXP controls features and functions. So now was at part 3, we should define functions. So I have already done this, so I'll just explain the code. So create lab file on functions.php. So I will just show you the code. So this is the lab.php. So at the first function, you need to write function name greet user that outputs a greeting message, and call the function at least 3 times using different names. So this is the one. So greet user name hello. So this is echoed 3 times. Alice, Bob, and Charlie. We have gone fulfill that first function. So now we will see to the second function, which is to write the next function, which is a compute average AB that returns average numbers, three numbers displaying the return value. So nagbanta na numerator sa number one, which is 10, 20, 30. So we compiled it into the average, in the compute average, using the compute average method. And para may gibotahan nato ang number one, number two, number three. So then i-echo na to siya, and then echo na to siya ang average. So the function done. And then the last function is get a usable function to prime number that determines if the number is prime. So it just identify if the number is prime. So we use else statement, f for loop. If number is greater than or equal to 1, return false. For I is equal to 2 and I is less than or equal to the square root of the number, and then I in like increase on I. So if the num is module if num and if we divide ang number of ang I and mag-equals to 0, return siya false. If wala sa if wala to us, then mag-return siya true. So echo test the numbers, may iyang mga numbers na test is prime ba. So for each number, if number, then if echo, then kani siya return siya kan prime to sa number. So i-run natin to and see if it works. What? Para sa output, so greet user function calls. We will greet the user 3 times. Welcome Alice. Welcome to the function line. Hello Bob. Welcome to the function lab. Hello Charlie. 3 times. So dito rin siya nag-stop. So compute average siya punta. Compute the average, the 10, 3, equals to 20. Muna yung average. So, niganap siya na function. Prime function calls the number is 2 is prime number, 7 is prime number, 10 is not a prime number, 13 is a prime number, 29 is a prime number, and 33 is not prime number. So, excuse me. So we have successfully implemented user-defined functions. Okay. Good morning, everyone. Let's continue to part 4. So, as we're instructed, the same file, which is the functions.php, is built in functions. So, first, we should apply Skrillin SDR to SDR to lower, SDR to upper, SDR rev, post, find PHP. So first we need to create array, try sort, array reverse, and count. So I must just look at the code. We have implemented there is the RLN. So message below. So then, so function one, get the length of the string. So we just use this. Paano na siya para tawagan na siya. The message, the lower, the lower the message. So, nakunakunan. So, first, maghimo ta og array. Natin mango, banana, apple, orange. Origin array, array, una. So, after the count one, i-echo na niya ang pila ka buok ang string sa which is kanin array groups. Then second, sort the one to ascending order. So we just use sorted foods, create a copy to perfect the original. So mo ni siya ang sorted foods. Sort and sorted food. So use the echo sort sort. So print R, i-print rin niya ang fruit na stored dito kaning then echo. Then the third, so array reverse. Reverse the array. Simply reverse the array. So we just use the array reverse, the reverse fruit reverse para ma-serve ang original na array. Then fruits, array reverse lang. Echo, array reverse. Then yep, array reverse. Array. So wala siya message. Wala niya message. Hello PHP student. So i-what niyan. Ilihat niya ihapon ra niya ang kabuk kuan Philippine students then kuan niya pinaka brings this message then we convert the lowercase convert ni gamit ra simple lang yan pag-implement lang yan then convert to uppercase to reverse the string, find the position. We just need to make another na variable position, then POS, make it PHP, echo round, and then what about so we try to run the mana na siya sabay sa buwan. So Chrome, sa Chrome, is sa Chrome, Chrome, right? Sa Chrome. So we just the conditions, the functions, functions. Kaya it work. So tara, ang boundary at start that in muna yung original message look as student. So sila ka lang sa 190 character to lower low PHP student gamay na siya. PHP command for case CR buffer okay na siya. CR student ibalik i-reverse ang string. Done. Find the PHP found position na 6. Okay, that kato siya na mga pan, yeah, pagkakataon natin ang function dito, dali na po sa built-in array functions. Original array, only ang original array, day, mango, waffle, banana, apple, orange. Therefore, sort array, kasi sort na niya, so, sending order. Array reverse niya array, then, so, mo thank you. So, continue to the part 5, integration. Create a single script, lab integration.php. Fun. accepts a string, converts it to lowercase, splits it into an array of characters, sort the array, print the sorted character in a loop, then the logic in a user-defined functions. So to be sort, we just need to integrate all of these functions in some of this. So okay, we will now proceed. So I will show you the my integration of it. So wala. So dara. Kani ang kuan niya. So firstly, dara sa ang function sa PHP na server side. So diri ang mga logic sa lowercase to str to lower, str split, then sort. So diri and the one print the characters into loops after the so mo po ni iyang if in so usually so na print so mo nagamit og server was method na post para mabutang ang user lang ang bahala sa pag-input sa iyang string. So after the most message wrote label for user setting into string. So after klase type setting, mga placeholder sa required button is submit and search characters. Ito sa submit is the search characters in the button. So after post to, mabutang siya sa user string. After mabutang sa user string, mandari ang magamit na nako siya as a string. User string, short string characters, pwede siya direct short string start. So, see if gumana siya. Okay. So, sa atong Chrome, pag nahanap na file, lab condition, para integration. Integration. Okay, they're here. So, darap ng input, user input. So, we can put lang hello Dave. So, so string sorter, original, hello Dave. So, converting to lowercase, hello Dave. Array characters transform into an array. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and hello space Dave. Sort niya ang character to ascending order. A, B, C, A, D, E, H. So this follows the ABCD. Sort in the loop. So sort niya in a loop. That's all. Thank you for listening and being with me as I fulfill my lab